Hi, I am Susan, your health counselor from dxsaver.com. Today I am going to explain some interesting facts about cancer in this short video. Do you know that cancer is the second leading cause of death in the United States? According to the American Cancer Society, there will be about 20.3 million cancer survivors by 2020 in the United States. So what exactly is cancer? Generally, the human cells grow and divide many times during your lifetime. When the new cells grow, the old cell will die eventually. But sometimes this orderly process breaks down, as the new cells become more and more abnormal, and the old cells may not die, resulting in excess cells when they are not needed. These extra cells may divide without stopping and may form growths called tumors. These abnormal cells are called cancer. Cancer can start anywhere in the human body and may travel through the bloodstream to other parts of the body, forming new tumors. Cancer may be caused due to various factors like biological factors such as age, gender, or inherited genetic defects, environmental factors like UV radiation or other metallic compounds, occupational risk factors like some plastic chemicals, tar, pitch, etc., lifestyle-related factors like tobacco and alcohol. Cancer can be differentiated based on the body parts in which they occur. Some of the most common types of cancer in the U.S. are breast cancer. This type of cancer is commonly diagnosed in women and may occur rarely in men. It usually starts from the milk-producing glands of the breasts. The signs and symptoms of breast cancer are change in breast size, nipple discharge, inverted nipple, peeling or scaling of breast skin, a lump in the breast or armpit, and redness in the breast. The next type of cancer is lung cancer. The smoking is the main cause of lung cancer and it can arise in any part of the lung. The common symptoms of lung cancer are coughing up blood, breathing problem, pain in the chest, unusual weight loss, and headache. The next type is prostate cancer. It is one of the most common types of cancer among men. The prostate gland is responsible to produce the seminal fluid that nourishes and transports the sperm. Prostate cancer does not show any signs or symptoms at an early stage. Some of the symptoms in an advanced stage of prostate cancer are blood and semen, erectile dysfunction, pain in bone, and inconvenience in the pelvic area. The next type of cancer is colon cancer. It is the third most common cause of cancer deaths. Colon cancer occurs when the tumor starts growing in the large intestine. Normally, a person with colon cancer does not show any symptoms until the advanced stage. Some of the symptoms in the advanced stage are diarrhea, changes in stool consistency, bleeding in the rectum, abdominal pain, painful bowel movements, and weakness. The next type is bladder cancer. This cancer starts when the cancerous cells grow in the bladder. Some of the common symptoms are back pain, frequent urinating, and pain in the lower abdomen. The next type of cancer is skin cancer. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, approximately 9,500 people are diagnosed with skin cancer every day. Skin cancer occurs mainly because of exposure to UV radiation and also not the only cause. It is advised to consult your doctor if you find bumps on the skin, the appearance of a new mole, dark lesions, and red patches on the skin. The other type of cancer is pancreatic cancer. People who smoke or have chronic diabetes are more vulnerable to pancreatic cancer. Some of the signs and symptoms of pancreatic cancer are jaundice, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and swelling in the abdomen. The next common type of cancer is throat cancer. In this case, the cancerous cells occur in the throat, voice box, or tonsils. Excessive tobacco and alcohol usage may increase the risk of getting throat cancer. The symptoms of throat cancer are cough, voice change, ear pain, difficult to swallow, and soreness in the throat. The last type is cervical cancer. It occurs in the cervix cells, the lower part of the woman's uterus that connects the uterus with the vagina. HPV, a sexually transmitted infection, is the main cause of cervical cancer. Like a few cancers, cervical cancer does not show any symptoms at an early stage. Some of the advanced cervical cancer symptoms are vaginal bleeding after sex, abnormal vaginal discharge, and pain during sex. Cancer can be diagnosed using several blood tests. A regular cancer screening increases the chances of detecting cancer at an early stage, as there are higher chances of recovery if diagnosed early. The cancer treatment is dependent on the type and stage of cancer. Some of the cancer treatment are surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy, and hormone therapy. Among these treatments, some of them will cause severe side effects like anemia, constipation, fertility issues, hair loss, memory problems, neurological problems, and sleeping problems. But even after the treatment, it is no guarantee that cancer can be cured completely. Sometimes cancer may grow again even if the treatment is successful. Generally, a person who is cancer-free for 5 years after the treatment has better chances of recovery. So, can the cancer be prevented? Unfortunately, there are no ways to prevent cancer. But you can reduce the risk of developing cancer by eating a healthy diet, regular vaccinations, avoiding smoking or drinking, and regular cancer screenings. What are you waiting for? Book your cancer screening test now, by clicking on the link in the description. If you have learned something new about cancer, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep on learning about the different disease and medical conditions.